we are gonna be building our own Boulder Bay workshop. And I love Boulder Bay. I always went there as a kid. Well, not always, but I went there as a kid to get my first ever Boulder Bay. I love Boulder Bays. I always wanted my own one. And I got like a pinkish one. And today we're gonna be building our own workshop. Okay, here's my money. Look, it's free friends. Circus tent? Wait, what? Circus? Oh, I see. That's cute. This looks so cute though. I like this. Wait, I'm done with the first floor and now we have a next floor. Oh my goodness, okay. I'm gonna go up the stairs. Okay, we're gonna do this section. We're doing this section of the place, so slide. Now I have to go all the way up again. Wait, this is like the mini arcade games. Damn, this place is huge. Oh my word! Bake shop? Wait, I can make a bake shop now? Let's have a tour. Let's have a tour. So when you step in, you get greeted by this girl, really nice worker, and then we got these lovely workers that you have to talk to if you want to pay for these animals, like these creatures, your pets, or your stuffed animals that does come to life. You can choose a bear, a dog, a rainbow bear, frog, a cat, and panda, and a rabbit, pig, axolotl, and a military bear. And here is where your bear comes to life, and you can talk to this guy over here so he can help you pay for the bears. Over there is, oh, here's some more bears to choose from. Here is a rocket. I think it goes up. Yes, it does. Look, it's like an elevator. And then here's like clothes for your bear. Look how cute this looks. And a slide to go like down. More clothes, and here's another slide that goes to this floor over here. And there's some more clothes over there, and that is a fashion show, I'm pretty sure. Here's like the game room, the game floor I meant. Like look, I can climb here, like rock climbing. And then here is like basketball to throw the balls in. And I don't know what this is called. These are trampolines and playroom area with a slide inside. Let me show you. Here's a slide somewhere. Oh, on top here. You go here, slide. But I don't want to go through because slide goes to the clothing fashion show place where I just showed you. I can go down here though, and here's water. So cute! And you can go like in a tunnel. Here's the painting area. And oh, here's a hot air balloon. I'll just go here. Oh, and there's another slide to go down. Here's a hot air balloon. Okay, and then here, the last floor, is the train. I don't think it does work, but that's okay. Whee! And then this leads us to the garden with these cute beds. Bushes, baby bushes, and then these things. You can sit here and relax while enjoying the view of the city. You can purchase some base stuff for your avatar, like your Roblox avatar. But it's with Robux, unfortunately. But that's okay. I hope you enjoyed the tour and the video, because I sure enjoyed making this. And I will see you all in my next video where I make the bakery shop thing. I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.